The parallel pattern search capability within WaveScan allows the mixed-signal high-definition oscilloscopes to isolate and analyze patterns across many digital lines. Identified patterns are presented in a table with timestamp information and enable quick searching for each pattern occurrence. Enable WaveScan by selecting the Analysis pull-down menu and then choosing WaveScan, or by pressing the front panel WaveScan button. Set the WaveScan mode to bus pattern and set the source to Digital 1. Specify the desired pattern and how many instances for WaveScan to find in the right side dialog. Select Stop Acquisition to have WaveScan stop the trigger when the pattern is found. Notice that 10 instances of the pattern have been highlighted and displayed in the table on the left side of the screen, and WaveScan has stopped the trigger. Selecting any entry in the table automatically zooms to that instance.